Hi there. We will look into 20 PMP exam scenario preparation questions. They are based on project planning in Agile environment. My name is Mark. Welcome to PMP Exam Express. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. 1. During a sprint planning session, Priya, a developer, raises a concern that the user stories seem too vague. What should the Scrum Master do? A. Ask Priya to work on other tasks until the product owner refines the stories. B. Document the concern for future sprints. C. Collaborate with the product owner to refine the user stories before moving forward. D. Ignore the concern and proceed with the current sprint plan. Answer: C. Collaborate with the product owner to refine the user stories before moving forward. Explanation: in Agile, it's important that user stories are clear and understandable before starting the sprint. Refining the backlog with the product owner ensures the team has actionable tasks. 2. Jane, the product owner, wants to add new user stories to the sprint backlog in the middle of the current sprint. What should the Scrum Master do? A. Add the user stories and reprioritize the sprint backlog. B. Refuse the request and continue with the original plan. C. Inform the team and let them decide whether to include the stories. D. Review the impact with the team and suggest adding them in the next sprint. Answer: D. Review the impact with the team and suggest adding them in the next sprint. Explanation: new work should generally not be added mid-sprint. It's better to evaluate the impact and prioritize it in the next sprint. 3. During a sprint, Ravi, a team member, identifies a technical blocker that could delay the completion of a key user story. What should the Scrum Master do first? A. Immediately escalate the issue to the sponsor. B. Help the team remove the blocker as soon as possible. C. Ask Ravi to work on another task until the blocker is resolved. D. Document the blocker for future retrospectives. Answer: B. Help the team remove the blocker as soon as possible. Explanation: the Scrum Master's role includes removing impediments that hinder the team's progress, allowing them to continue working on their committed tasks. 4. During a sprint review, the client mentions that the delivered features do not meet their expectations. How should the product owner respond? A. Ask the team to redo the features in the next sprint. B. Review the feedback and adjust the product backlog accordingly. C. Escalate the issue to the project sponsor. D. Apologize and promise better results in the next sprint. Answer: B. Review the feedback and adjust the product backlog accordingly. Explanation: Agile is iterative. Client feedback is valuable for refining the product backlog and ensuring the team works on delivering the right features in future sprints. 5. Alex, a developer, is consistently underestimating his tasks during sprint planning. What should the Scrum Master do? A. Assign someone else to estimate Alex's tasks. B. Suggest Alex spends more time planning. C. Work with Alex to improve estimation skills. D. Reduce Alex's workload in future sprints. Answer: C. Work with Alex to improve estimation skills. Explanation: helping team members improve their estimation techniques fosters team development and enhances future sprint planning accuracy. 6. Maria, a business analyst, feels that the team isn't delivering value fast enough. What is the best action the product owner can take? A. Increase the number of sprints. B. Encourage the team to work faster. C. Reprioritize the backlog to focus on delivering high-value items first. D. Ignore Maria's concerns and stick to the current plan. Answer: C. Reprioritize the backlog to focus on delivering high-value items first. Explanation: the product owner's role is to maximize value. By reprioritizing, the team can focus on delivering the highest value features early. 7. During the project, the team realizes that the original project plan does not account for certain technical complexities. What is the appropriate next step? A. Continue with the current plan despite the issues. B. Reevaluate and update the project plan with the team's input. C. Escalate the issue to the project sponsor for guidance. D. Postpone the current sprint and update the documentation. Answer: B. Reevaluate and update the project plan with the team's input. Explanation: Agile encourages adapting the plan as new information arises. The team should adjust plans to reflect current realities. 8. A client requests several new features during the sprint review, but the team has not completed the current backlog. What should the product owner do? A. Immediately add the new features to the current sprint. B. Reprioritize the backlog, considering the client's request for the next sprint. C. Extend the current sprint to accommodate the new features. D. Tell the client they must wait until the project is complete. Answer: B. Reprioritize the backlog considering the client's request for the next sprint. Explanation: Agile is flexible, but new work should be added in future sprints, not mid-sprint, to ensure current commitments are met. 9. During daily stand-up, James frequently shares long, unrelated updates. What should the Scrum Master do? A. Let James finish his updates, but remind him to keep them brief. B. Politely interrupt and refocus the conversation on sprint progress. C. Ask James to provide his updates outside the stand-up meeting. D. Allow James to continue, as every update may be valuable. Answer: B. Politely interrupt and refocus the conversation on sprint progress. Explanation: Stand-ups are meant to be short and focused on daily progress. The Scrum Master should gently guide the conversation back to relevant topics. 10. Alex, the Scrum Master, notices that the team is completing user stories faster than expected. What should Alex do? A. Increase the workload for future sprints. B. Add more user stories mid-sprint. C. Encourage the team to take on additional tasks in the current sprint. D. Work with the team to assess whether user stories are being estimated correctly. Answer: D. Work with the team to assess whether user stories are being estimated correctly. Explanation: If work is consistently completed ahead of time, it may indicate that user stories are being underestimated, which should be addressed to ensure accurate sprint planning. 11. Sarah, the product owner, wants to push a new feature that is not aligned with the sprint goal. What should the Scrum Master do? A. Allow the feature, as it is from the product owner. B. Reject the feature outright. C. Discuss with the team and see if they can include it in the current sprint. D. Remind Sarah about the importance of sticking to the sprint goal. Answer: D. Remind Sarah about the importance of sticking to the sprint goal. Explanation: Agile emphasizes staying focused on the sprint goal. New features should be deferred to future sprints unless they are critical. 12. Tim, the Scrum Master, realizes that team members are frequently working overtime. What should he do? A. Encourage the team to take on fewer tasks during sprint planning. B. Ask the team to work overtime until the sprint is complete. C. Ask management to assign more resources to the project. D. Reallocate tasks to ensure equal distribution of work. Answer: A. Encourage the team to take on fewer tasks during sprint planning. Explanation: Teams should be committing to a sustainable pace. Overcommitting in sprint planning can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. 13. During sprint retrospective, the team discusses a process improvement idea. What is the best next step? A. Implement the change immediately. B. Assign a team member to implement the improvement. C. Create a plan to test the improvement in the next sprint. D. Document the idea and revisit it later. Answer: C. Create a plan to test the improvement in the next sprint. Explanation: Agile encourages continuous improvement. Testing the improvement in the next sprint allows the team to evaluate its effectiveness. 14. A new team member, Nia, struggles with completing tasks on time due to unclear user stories. What should the Scrum Master do? A. Assign Nia fewer tasks to reduce her workload. B. Collaborate with the product owner to clarify the user stories. C. Replace Nia with a more experienced team member. D. Ask Nia to focus on easier tasks until she catches up. Answer: B. Collaborate with the product owner to clarify the user stories. Explanation: Clear and actionable user stories are key to team performance. The Scrum Master should ensure that everyone understands the work. 15. An unplanned event occurs during the sprint, which impacts the project timeline. What should the Scrum Master do? A. Ask the team to work overtime to make up for lost time. B. Work with the product owner to adjust the sprint backlog as needed. C. Extend the sprint to accommodate the new event. D. Cancel the sprint and start over. Answer: B. Work with the product owner to adjust the sprint backlog as needed. Explanation: Agile encourages flexibility. When unforeseen events arise, the backlog should be revisited and reprioritized accordingly. 16. During planning, Lisa, the product owner, suggests removing a task from the sprint that the team had already committed to. What is the best approach? A. Let Lisa remove the task, as she is the product owner. B. Escalate the issue to senior management. C. Review the reasoning and proceed with the team's agreement. D. Proceed with the task, as the team had already committed. Answer: C. Review the reasoning and proceed with the team's agreement. Explanation: Agile promotes collaboration. If the removal of a task is valid, it's important that the team understands and agrees with the change. 17. The team is struggling to complete all tasks in a sprint. What action should the Scrum Master take during sprint planning? A. Increase the team's capacity for the next sprint. B. Reassess how tasks are estimated and planned for future sprints. C. Ask the team to work faster to complete the tasks. D. Extend the sprint duration for future sprints. Answer: B. Reassess how tasks are estimated and planned for future sprints. Explanation: poor sprint completion may indicate inaccurate task estimation. Reassessing the planning process can help improve future sprints. 18. A stakeholder asks for a detailed project plan and Gantt chart. How should the Scrum Master respond? A. Provide the requested documents immediately. B. Explain that Agile focuses on adaptive planning and provide relevant project metrics instead. C. Create a detailed Gantt chart for the stakeholder. D. Escalate the request to the product owner. Answer: B. Explain that Agile focuses on adaptive planning and provide relevant project metrics instead. Explanation: Agile focuses on flexibility and adaptability. Stakeholders can be provided with burn-down charts and metrics rather than traditional Gantt charts. 19. During backlog refinement, a team member suggests a complex feature that may require several sprints to complete. What should the product owner do? A. Add the feature to the next sprint. B. Break the feature down into smaller, manageable tasks. C. Reject the feature as it is too complex. D. Assign the feature to the team to start working on immediately. Answer: B. Break the feature down into smaller, manageable tasks. Explanation: large features should be broken down into smaller tasks to fit within sprints and allow for iterative progress. 20. The team is working in an agile environment and frequently struggles with prioritizing user stories. What should the Scrum Master do? A. Ask the product owner to always decide the priorities. B. Work with the product owner and the team to refine the prioritization process. C. Prioritize the stories based on technical complexity. D. Escalate the issue to the project sponsor. Answer: B. Work with the product owner and the team to refine the prioritization process. Explanation: in Agile, prioritization is a collaborative effort between the product owner and the team. A refined process helps the team focus on delivering value efficiently. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to help us generate more content. All the best with your PMP exam preparations.